Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about index route. So when are index route used? They are generally used in case of nested routes. As you can see, we have two nested routes, mobiles and fashion, within products. So I can use index routing to display something at parent level like this forward slash products. We have not yet used the nested routing, so I want something to be displayed here. For that I'm going to use the index routing. Okay, let's see. So here I'm going to define the index routing here. I'm going to write route. I'm going to say index. So in the index route there is no path attribute, there is just index, and there's going to be an element. Now you can create a separate component for this, or you can use one of the nested routes to be displayed. Okay, I'm going to use the mobile component. Okay, that means that as soon as I land on forward slash product page, I want something to be displayed, and for that I chose mobiles. The list of mobiles will be displayed. Let's save it and let's see the changes. Okay, so when I click on products, you can see that list of mobiles has been displayed, and it's going to be the same when I click on mobile. Okay, but it's going to change when I click on fashion. So index routing is working perfectly fine. It's just, now let's recall what index routing does. It just simply displays something at a parent level route whenever nested routing is being used. So for example, this nested routing is being used, and this is our parent level route, and we are displaying mobiles at the parent level. So that's it for index routing. I'll see you in the next one.